After 20 years, Gerry Callahan says he's completed his last show on WEEI this morning. In a tweet, he added, "Thanks to all who listened. Unfortunately, this ain't a movie. Sometimes the bad guys win. Much more to come." Parent company Intercom confirmed the news with a statement saying in part, "While it is now time for a new chapter, we thank him for the many contributions and indelible mark he's made at WEEI, including his tireless work on behalf of Dana-Farber and the Jimmy Fund." Intercom said Greg Hill from sister station WAAF's Greg Hill Morning Show will take over the morning drive slot. Katie Johnston for WBZ News.